Everyone, I'm Mom Jovi. In this video, I am going to discuss the function of index. Okay, so let's start. Index. So what is index? The index function returns the value at a given location in a range or array. So this is used to retrieve individual values or entire rows and columns. The match function is often used together with index to provide row and column numbers. So what's the purpose? Its purpose is to get the position of an item in an array, the return value and number representing a position in the lookup array. Okay, the return value, whatever the position that you specified. So here are the arguments of the index function. It has two required and two optional. So the first argument is the array. So it refers to a range of cells or an array constant. Then the second argument is a row number, the row position in the reference or array. Then the third one, it's optional, the column position in the reference or array. And then the fourth one is as well optional, area num, the range in reference that should be used. Okay, sige. I am going to start. I will be using first this one, the first one, the one dimensional. So the array, the array and then the row num. So how do we do that? Okay, here I have here the data. So I'll put here, okay, equal sign, and then the so I will be using pala this one instead of the equal sign. This one, the fx, and then you type index here. Ayan, then you click go, and then you click OK, and then here, this one. Okay, yan. So, as you can see, this one is not highlighted, meaning to say column num is optional. The two with the bold format, the array and the row numbers are required. So, if I want to look up here, this only, ayan, the value, yeah. And then, I'll go here. So, what's the row number? So, I'll just put the row number. If I want to look up banana, so banana is row 3. You can put row 3 here and then you click OK. There you go. It returns banana, right? Okay. Now, since this one is fixed, we don't want this. So, I will be repeating this one, whatever the value that I enter here. Okay? So, ganito siya. Equal sign. And then I'll go index. So, this is one dimensional only. We're looking up on a particular column with a particular value, right? So, ganito din. Okay, and then, let's go back here. And then, go back again. The row number. So, instead of supplying the value, I am going to get this one, the cell reference of this. So, whatever I will be typing there, that will appear. Okay? Then, I click OK. Yan. Everything appears. Okay? Kuha nyo. Yun. J7. What's the value of J7? It's null, right? So, pero, pag naglagay ako dyan ng 2, let's see. Look. Okay? And then, yan. If I do 1, dapat apple. And then I 2. And then C. 3. Okay? And then 4. And then 5. Okay? 6. And then 7. What do you think will happen? The reference. Why? Because wala siyang makita. Right? Kasi hanggang 6 lang to. Okay? Sige. Next. Continue. Now, by this time, I'll be using this one, the row and the column. So, if I'll be supplying the row and the column, it will return the value here. So, it's a two-dimensional na. Okay? So, equal signs. So, by this time, I will not be using the fx. This is the other way, equal sign, and you just type index, and then you can see here, yan. meron siyang, kumbaga sa programming, this is its IntelliSense. It displays the syntax. So, pag nagpo-program kasi kami, may IntelliSense siya, nag-appear yung syntax. Para siyang, IntelliSense. Okay. So, as you can see, ito siya. Right? The first one. Array, row number, column number. So, since I will be looking for a particular row and column, I will be using the entire range, this range. Ito ang cell reference ko. Kasi, two-dimensional na siya. Okay? Comma. Yan. There. Okay. Then, sabi niya dito, what's the, the first one is kung saang column or saang rows, right? So, saang row muna? Row. So, we will be looking at here. Yan. Whatever the data that is typed on that particular cell. And then, J, what's the cell reference of this one? Beside is J3. So, I3 and J3. And then, okay, you hit the enter key. Yan. Okay, why? So, let's say, 5. Okay. So, this is the row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, fourth column, 10. There you go. Kuha, did you understand? 10 siya. Okay, highlight natin siya. Yan siya. Palitan natin. Let's say, row 1, column 4. So, dapat 12. There you go. Tama. And then, ito. Let's change. Row 1, column 3. Okay, I hope this clarifies your understanding how you are going to use the index function. Okay, and lastly, here, I am going to use the supply value. I'll delete this one, of course. Okay, ulitin natin. So, equal sign index, right? Ayan. Index. Okay. So, say I will be supplying, the constant value here, comma. Ay, sorry, hanggang dito lang. Because I'm referring here. Yan, comma. So, if I want to display cucumber, so row 6, column 2. Row 6, column 2. There you go. Dapat cucumber siya. Yan. So, fixed naman to. The difference is ito fixed dito, whatever the value that I entered on a particular cell. Okay? Video helps you, click like, share, and subscribe. Before I'm going to end this up, I am going to shout out to my J11 students, J11 Rizal, J11 Bonifacio, and J11 Banzon. Thank you for watching. See ya!